Welcome back, guys. I am here with you again the next class for WordPress. So after purchasing the hosting and domain, you have to submit invoice on here. So put the invoice number. For example, you have invoice this one. Amount deposit, you have deposit like 1500, okay, or 1500, and which method you choose here. All are the method are available. Okay, which method you have choose, you can choose and then set OK and submit. Then it will take 24 hours to send you the cPanel details with the password. Once you got cPanel detail, I have cPanel detail, so I'm going to open one. cPanel is here. Okay, this is my cPanel and I have already opened. Okay, after the cPanel, you have to set up your website. So you can see their files, jet backup, billing support, database, SEO marketing tools, domains, okay, email and metrics, security, software, advanced, preference, okay. As for Scaffolders, app installer, soft Aculus app installer. Okay, one update available here, and here you can install your WordPress, okay, Abbonet, Cart, PrestaShop, Joomla, PHP, BB. These all are the platform are available here. Which one you need, you can choose. Also there is categories of blog. If you want to choose and install, you can easily can install. Okay, so before installing WordPress in our domain, I am here with the plan 2. If we click here hoster and click here 200 MB disk space, 40 GB monthly transfer bandwidth, then basic, then we have 5 MySQL server database, then I have allowed domain, how many domain allowed, then I have subdomain. So allowed domain, 3 domain allow. I have already 2, but I am going to register another one. If I need, I can enter subdomain, okay, then domain registration free. Mail account, I can enter 20 mail account free. So first I'm going to register my new domain. What is our domain name? In previous video I already raised domain name. So here is the invoice, unpaid, but I'm not going to pay this invoice. This invoice for dateineurope.com. okay, so I'm going to copy. After registration this domain, you guys need to visit this domain again and again. Once completion this course, maybe this side will be live. So I have to copy this domain and I came here for the domain section. So this is domain, we have add-on domain, instructor, license, domain, subdomain, zone, editor, site publisher. So add-on domain, click on add-on domain and add domain name. Okay, then add root. So create root. So I'm going to add, so documentation, see this is the documentation, add-on domain, full detail are available here. You can read all the instruction. Okay, so guys, subdomain, no need to add here subdomain. Then I'm going to add here a public HTML dateineurope.com because after the registration we have the file manager. So this is documentation cpanel.net. This is all the WordPress, and I'm going to click on cpanel. After the file manager, under the USA public, we have our domain name here. Okay, so dpreviewer, our domain name here, and for the USA our domain name is here. So I'm going to enter that home public HTML. You guys can see here our public HTML, then this, then FTP name is same, domain in Europe, then password and username you can choose same. Okay, I can copy and paste this password again here. Password does not match, so I need to copy my password from the database. Let me hold. So I have pasted, then I'm going to click on add domain. That is not a valid subdomain, so no need valid subdomain. There is some issue. Okay, so FTP name USA Craigslist dot this, then we are going to add. Let me check this one so we don't have mistake. Okay, so I'm going back, this. Okay, so add domain. I think have error. Let me check. So guys, I have to add here a domain, new domain, this, then subdomain, then I'm going to add domain. So it going to take some time. So guys, I have already created domain. You can see here add-on domain. The add-on domain date in Europe has been created. If you would like to manage file, you can go to file manager. So if I click here, and you guys can see my domain name created here and dpreviewer here. So now in this video we are also going to install WordPress, because when I click on my domain, so date in Europe.com. See, date in Europe.com, and here in file manager we have date in Europe. So guys, came to last, and we are going to install a WordPress. Click on WordPress, and then we have two sites already installed, and this is the third site. I click on install, and I'm going to choose here my site name, date in Europe. Okay, directory read it, WP read it, no need. Okay, then my blog, click here, your site name, date in Europe. Here you need to add description for your site, date in Europe. Okay, so if you want to add here admin username and password, so I'm going to add admin is date in Europe and password must not be shown here. Okay, so I'm going to hide my password. Okay, so I'm going to change my email ID also. Select language English and other, leave it same because we have other advanced option. So this is the database name. So if you want to rename, you guys can rename. And then we have table prefix. So this also related to database. Okay, this all things related to database. Default link by backup. If you want to choose by folder, you can choose. Don't backup this all things by default. If you want to add any theme, you guys can add. If no, leave it empty. And here also after installation I need the email, so I'm going to click on install and save this one. Here is going install WordPress, so it's successfully installed. So I click on WP and my side link is here. This is the side link, so it's SAPP. Why it is show SAPP? Okay, so leave it that. I'm going to have here WP ADMI admin. So I think have to hope installation process easily. Microsoft do not provide support individual software package. Please visit software vendor website support. SoftAQLS installer. So let me check in my folder, click on cPanel and file manager, and we are going to have a date in Europe. See, WordPress already installed. So we are going to click. So if you have error, okay, you can check with the your hoster provider. So if I click home and login and invoice, and we are going to check here our domain. So let me check my domain. This domain still pending. Okay, so waiting for hoster team to set up for me the domain. It will take 24 hours to set up domain. In the next video we are going to run our domain. We'll meet in next video. See you guys.